bolts that bolt down to every other sleeper, and it was an interesting project. It was kind of fun. They come in packs. You have to break them off the sprue, but clean up the ends and then paint them and rough up the underside so it'll take the glue. I used matte medium this time just to see what that was like. It worked pretty well. Doesn't grab real quick, but you know, you just half an hour and it grabs well enough you can take the clamps off and move on. I use a combination of tape and my 1, 2, 3 blocks, machinist blocks, to hold them down firmly. And painting them was kind of fun. It's a little hard to see. I don't know if you even can. Maybe you can. Yeah, you can sort of see it. You can see it better if you were here in person. But yeah, it was a fun project. I got that one a little off. Now that's the way it's going to stay, I'm afraid. Yeah, they were. There was a Friday afternoon. They were in a hurry to get out of there that day. So it came out pretty good, and I'll show you how I painted it real briefly, and we'll take a run across with the cab ride video camera so you can see it up close. I've got a Class 37 to push the camera across, so without much further ado, let's go take a look at some of this other stuff.